All right, guys. Quick little video. This is a 2024 Toyota Venza. I believe they call this wind chill. It's a pearl white metallic paint job with black accents. Beautiful vehicle. All the lettering in black as well. Get you some blacked out window tint. Lifetime warranty down here at Toyota of Melbourne, as well as your lifetime powertrain warranty and your 2 years of maintenance from Toyota. This is a hybrid vehicle with 40 miles to the gallon. Dependability of Toyota with a taste of luxury inside. Beautiful spacious vehicle in the front and back with plenty of space in the back for all the groceries. This thing has an MSRP of $43,000. We're making every deal happen in the month of December. Give me a call, text me, reach out. Have a great day.